Hello, Pisces, and welcome to your weekly reading. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. I have meditated on your beautiful energy, Pisces, and the oracle cards that will determine the theme for this reading are love, expect the unexpected, and bottom of the deck is worthiness. I have shuffled your cards, and we're just going to jump right in there and ask the universe what Pisces' current energy is. What energy are my little fish friends, Pisces, currently in? What energy? Okay. So we have the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Cups, and the World card here. Bottom of the deck, Eight of Swords. And we're going to hold judgment, like I said, to get the clearer picture of what the universe would like Pisces to know and understand or be aware of. So this next row, we're going to ask the universe, what does Pisces not see coming? What does Pisces not see coming? Okay, we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Emperor, one more card, please, universe. What does Pisces... There we go. Okay, two more cards. Thank you. So we have the Five of Swords and the Three of Swords here. Bottom of the deck, we have the Four of Swords. A lot of thoughts, seems like. All right, and this next row, we would like the universe to give us some insight on the action that Pisces should take concerning the reading. What action should Pisces take concerning these messages? Okay, we have Judgment, we have the World card, and we have the Moon. Wow, all major arcanas here is the advice. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Swords. Okay, so universe, can you please tell me what Pisces opportunities, what are the potential opportunities does Pisces have concerning this particular week or reading or circumstance? What potential opportunities? Okay, so we have the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Wands. And lastly, universe, can you tell me what potential obstacles? Already knew. Universe already knew. The potential obstacles Pisces might face. King of Swords, Page of Pentacles. Okay, Pisces. So you definitely have repeating cards here. You have King of Swords in your opportunity and King of Swords in your challenge. You have the World card here twice. And you have quite a few major arcanas. Okay. So what I'm getting overall is big fish, small pond. Big fish, small pond. Let's look at the energy you're currently in. Seven of Cups to the Eight of Cups to the World card with the Eight of Swords at the bottom of the deck. So it looks like you're in your head about something. You have a lot of options. So you're in a place of abundance in this Ten of Pentacles here. This is you. I'm getting this is your energy and your energy here. A place of power and abundance. So it's like a lot of opportunity, and sometimes with a lot of options, it leaves us in a state of confusion on which way to go. It's not a matter of two, like the Two of Pentacles, where you're balancing out two win-wins. The Seven of Cups kind of can indicate that maybe you're daydreaming a little bit too much. So the Seven of Cups, the Eight of Swords to the Seven of Cups lets me know that you're really in your head about this decision about whether or not to walk away from this Eight of Cups. In the Eight of Cups, all 8 cups are upright. They all likely have something in them, something of value, but something that doesn't serve you or no longer serves you. Or there's something better in the horizon. And that's okay to go after the better thing, even in a state of abundance, because you're worth it. You're worth these opportunities, this big fish energy in a small pond. A big fish in a small pond is likely the emperor. You're in a place of power and abundance at the top of the food chain. But it can be crowding and uncomfortable not to have a place to swim. You might not learn as much being the big fish in a small pond, like the Page of Swords would be, where you have an ocean of opportunity, an ocean to learn, because you're in page energy and not the emperor. So it looks like you're weighing a choice between win-wins, or win and win more, and trying to decide to leave this Eight of Cups behind for something you actually might love. And I believe the universe wants you to search your heart for what you might love, because the options are there. So it's not just deciding of what you can get. You're worth what you love. The World card here is the completion of a cycle. And so you're trying to decide whether or not to close out something that's also abundant and good. Our opportunity is the King of Swords here to the Four of Wands. So King of Swords is head over heart energy, right? A head over heart decision. But between the opportunity and the obstacle, it looks like it's not just a matter of head over heart, because both are similar choices in head over heart. Whereas your opportunity is to celebrate yourself in some way. And perhaps it's this love, this internal love that you have for yourself or what you do. So I'm getting maybe you're going to be offered a promotion. There's a thing called the golden handcuffs in business. And what it means is when they pay you so much, you can never leave, because you accumulate enough responsibility to match whatever it is that they're paying you. It's so good that it's hard to walk away from this Eight of Cups. And that's what I'm getting from this Eight of Cups energy, is a golden handcuff. In the second row here, we have the Four of Swords on the bottom of the deck, the Ten of Pentacles, the Emperor, to the Five of Swords, to the Three of Swords. So I'm getting your comfortness here, but also your uneasy and unsettled nature here. You are at the Ten of Pentacles. You are the Emperor. You are the big fish, but this pond is small. Now, you can still have Ten of Pentacles. You're not going to get too big where you literally can't swim, or else you wouldn't be in this Ten of Pentacles energy. But the universe is asking, where's your heart? That you're worth even more than the Ten of Pentacles. So you may actually have to be in competition, put out feelers, dust off your resume, see what else is out there. Instead of weighing these 7 cups, get another. Weigh that one as well. Give yourself every opportunity to have more opportunities because you're worth it. Don't settle. Abundance is not a period. It's a dot, dot, dot. And this might mean losing people. It might mean losing friends. It might mean losing coworkers. It might be losing respect in some way. Some people might find you foolish. But I don't see the Page of Pentacles here. I don't see, or actually I do. What I don't see is the Fool. I don't see you starting from the beginning. I don't see this going back to the drawing board. I don't see you leaving this Eight of Cups to not have the Ten of Pentacles. I see you adding to this Ten of Pentacles. And the universe is giving you the encouragement to follow your bliss because you are worth it. The action here, in the action section, we have the Judgment, to the World, to the Moon. Page of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Now, in our obstacle, it is also the King of Swords and the Page of Pentacles. So the obstacle is this new opportunity. Is to not be the Page of Pentacles, but to be the Page of Swords. The Page of Pentacles is the opportunity. It's a new opportunity. There is some risk associated with going towards a new opportunity. There's risk here. The action the universe is saying, release yourself from this judgment, perhaps maybe from these golden handcuffs. Become this Page of Swords, this eternal student who's eager to learn something new. It's in your obstacle here because it's an obstacle for you in regards to leaving an Eight of Pentacles. The opportunity is to make this head over heart decision and celebrate yourself for doing it. Because others may see you as the fool. But like I said, the fool is nowhere to be seen. The risk is the Moon here. It's saying take the risk. Complete this cycle. Go into competition. Leave where you currently are for something much, much better. But it's unexpected. It's unexpected by your community. It's unexpected by you. Because as a Pisces, sometimes you self-deprecate. That's that bottom fish energy. When you're the top fish, you swim, 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 swim up to the top. But when you're the bottom fish, you just float on down. And sometimes you oscillate between those two places. And conflict can put you there and doubting yourself. No matter what it is, no matter how abundant you are, a lot of times you still question your worthiness. Survivor's remorse is what I'm getting. You will be abundant. You will be abundant no matter what you choose, is what I am getting. That you are divinely protected to go on this journey of Page of Pentacles if you choose to. That your restrictions are self-imposed, but they have real consequences. Sometimes when you leave one place for a better opportunity, you get there and you miss your old coworkers, your old route, your old environment, that stability, that snugness of the pond. Because when the big fish leaves the small pond and goes to the ocean, the perspective changes on the fish's size. It may still be big in the ocean, or maybe it's a tiny guppy fish. Back to this page of swords and learning how to swim tough waters. But you are divinely protected to do as such and go where your heart is. Are you doing what you love? Is this your passion? Is it your destiny? Is it your purpose? Because it's not always about pinnacles. You can gain the whole world and lose your soul. But Spirit wants you to know you are worth all of it. That you get abundance and your soul. You are the emperor. You have ascended. You have self-actualized. So stop doubting your worthiness. The emperor can get in this energy, but never get to the point where you don't feel like you deserve your throne. We're going to ask for a message from the universe, a final parting message for Pisces, who's a big fish in a small pond. Just ask for some guidance for Pisces. Okay, we have a lot of cards. Okay, universe. Dandelion, a wound healer. Bottom of the deck, dragon's blood. The thing about the dandelion is how powerful it is. But it isn't seen as such. It's seen as a weed a lot of times, except for people who know the power it has. So what I'm getting from this is doubting your worthiness. And also expect the unexpected. The dandelion is edible. The leaves here are edible, right? So it can provide nutrition. It can also have medicinal properties, cleansing different organs. And it's a wound healer. But the thing about it is, when that flower dies away, it has this foam here that kids love to pick up and blow around. And these are seeds. And so this dandelion can go wherever it wants because it literally flies, and it's underestimated. I think people underestimate the dandelion, and the dandelion likely underestimates itself because of how people see it. But it doesn't stop being powerful no matter how people perceive it to be. It is who it is. And it flies. It's a plant that can fly in the wind. And it's clever because it entices you to blow it around. So if a kid doesn't blow these seeds, the wind will blow it. You are worthy of this abundance. because you are abundant by your very nature. You have to get out of your own way and get out of your own head and see that you deserve the increase. Dragon's blood at the bottom of the deck. I'm feeling called to tell you that the universe wants you to work on your self-esteem. I don't see an enemy here. The conflict has to do with how you see yourself and that survivor's remorse that you seem to be wrestling with. Survivor's remorse is when someone, it's not just surviving and other people didn't, and it's being abundant. And by nature, abundance means that other people don't have. Because if other people had it, you'd be average. And for some, that's very uncomfortable. And puts them in a state of doubt. You need to rest not on your laurels, but in the work that you already put in who you are. You've put in a lot of work into who you are. But maybe you're having a hard time seeing it. So the universe wants to bring you things. And with that is a mystery. Going back out and becoming the smaller fish in a larger body of water can be scary. But if it's where your heart is, it's worth it. Who cares what other people think? Who cares how great this promotion is? If you don't want it, don't take it. Do you? Thank you.